Hi, there's like 8 legs, UK. Actually back with a different video. Found one of the baby birds what have been nesting in our garden.
Baby blackbird.
I think it's a, everybody said I think it's a baby blackbird because we've had blackbirds and we've had
Robins nest in our garden and Jenny wrens.
definitely think it's a baby blackbird, yeah. Because it's not a baby robin because we've also had robins in our garden. They're more speckled.
I think the mother will leave it alone for long, like they're being nested further along the garden.
Yeah, this is where they were nesting on that what you call it stuff? Ivy.
Bush and
Man, it's like ivy or something.
ivy and rose.
Yeah, it's lovely.
And they're close.
Don't want to get too close to it. Stress it out. It's actually on top of my old fish tanks I used to have.
Now living there.
Yeah. Well, I hope you liked the different video. Find it very fascinating. Please smash the like button and make sure you have that notification bell on for updates. Bye.